Hello, today we will discuss about job sequencing with deadlines using greedy method. So here we can take an example, that is total 5 number of jobs is there. So total means n is equal to 5 and profit of each job is different. That is for job 1 is 20, job 2 is 15, job 3 is 10, job 4 is 5 and job 5 is 1. So each jobs have different deadlines is also there. For job 1 is 2, for job 2 is 2, for job 3 is 1 and job 4 is 3 and job 5 is 3. So here in example 5 types of job is given or task is given. Associated with each jobs profits are given, but that job must be finished within these deadlines. So assume that if a machine is there, in this machine each job is processed, each job is take 1 unit of time. The 1 unit of time, let us say you has 1 hour, so each job need 1 hours for completing his or her task. So like for example you say the DTP operator. So now when a DTP operator open the shop and see 5 people are standing with their different jobs, and the deadlines you can say as each person standing time before opening the shop, and profit should be say as from each person you get profit rupees for completing their job. So which person's job you take first, so you can go for maximum profit which will give by a person for his or her job. Means you want to set of those jobs which can be completed within their deadlines, such that the profit is maximized. So this is a maximization problem, and the constant of this problem is jobs should be done within their deadline. So it is suitable for greedy method because it is an optimization problem and also the maximization problem. So now solved by greedy method. For the example you can say the DTP operator can complete this job if you say the two person have wait for his or her job for 3 hours. So the deadline is 3 hours, so you can consider that is only your job and nobody is wait after this timing that is shown in figure, the deadline. So you can see in the figure that is maximum time is 3. So here deadlines is maximum 3 means 0 to 3 you can say. So maximum 3 hours he can stay, any job holder can stay the 3 hours maximum. So here we can see also the maximum 3 hours the deadline. So slot are having for DTP operator as from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. So no one is wait beyond 3 hours, that is shown in figure, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So DTP operator can complete only 3 jobs out of 5. So only out of 5 jobs, you can complete the 3 job because 3 hours is taken. 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, 3 slot will be taken. So which can we take now if we applying greedy method in this situation, you can select the jobs order of the maximum profit. So which jobs have an maximum profit, this can be taken at first. So that is shown in figure, that is an example, that is and also here you can see the profit according to jobs are arranged in decreasing order. So job 1 holder is 20, job 2 15, then job 3 10, then job 4 5, then job 5 1. So it is order as decreasing order. So the highest profit is weight or his or her deadlines is 2 hours. So the job 1 or job J1 can put in second slot, that is shown in figure, that is J1 can put in second slot because his deadlines is 2 hours. Next highest profit is 15 and his or her waiting time or deadlines also 2 hours, but here also slot is occupied by J1. So here we cannot put the J1, but you can put 0 to 1 hours because the slot timing is 0 to maximum of 2 hours. The second person also 2 hours, so you cannot put them into 3 hour slot. So you can put only this 1 to 2 hours. So you can put 0 to 1 hour slot or first slot. So J2 is occupied by 0 to 1 slot, that is shown in figure. So next job is deadlines is 1, job 3 deadlines is 1, it's already occupied by J2, 0 to 1 slot already occupied by J2 because it come first come first serve. So as this process is going on, so J3 is rejected from the list, that is shown in figure. So J3 you can reject them from the list now. So you can come for J4. So J4 deadlines is 3 and profit is 5, so it is put in this slot. So J4 is put in third slot, and is profit also 5. So, and always remember that every job take 1 unit and 1 hours of time. So every job will take 1 hours of time, that is shown in figure. So next, for job 5 deadlines is also 3, like as J2 and J1. So but it's already occupied by J4, so you can check for first slot if there have any slot book blank is there or not. If not, then only reject the job. So if you, so you can check from last to first, bottom to top, you can check that any slot is blank or not. If a blank is there, so you can put the J5 as in this slot, otherwise you can reject them as like as J3. So now if you applying so now the vacant places is there, so put J5 into reject list, that is shown in figure. So here you can accept the list J1, J2 and J4. J3 and J5 is is rejected. So complete jobs are J2, J1 and J4. The sequence of completing the jobs are J1 to J2 to J4 and J2 to J1 or J4. So two sequences there to completing the job, because J1 and J2 both deadlines are or waiting time is 2 hours, so you can start the sequence as J1 also and J2 also. So total profit will be J2 plus J1 plus J4, so 15 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 40. So you can, if you can solve this problem in table format, so it's look like as, so that this is the problem and this is the time slot that is will be followed, and the table format, first column will be jobs considered, second column will be slot assigned, then next is solution, then is profit. So initial stage is nothing, so you can put them 0. So first job is when included, that is J1, so here 1 to 2 slot is assigned, then J1 is in solution part, then profit will be 20. You can put then second job include when J2, so there have two possibilities, that is 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, that is 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So you can slot assign, you can put two of them, and J1 and J1 command J2 is in solution, and 20 plus 15 is in second profit will be there second for second job, and then third job is rejected because, so it is as like as remains same. So fourth job then include, then here we can put 0 1 1 2 and 2 3. So here will be profit will be 20 plus 15 plus 5. So in fifth job it's also rejected, so is as like as remains same as like as fourth job. So total profit will be 20 plus 15 plus 5 is equal to 40. So this is the job sequencing problem solving by greedy method. Thank you.